Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to change video size or video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and the camera. Just find and open the camera. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see this, the shutter button change, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's enter the settings. In my configuration they are in the left upper corner. In the other position you will have it in the left lower corner, and in the other position you will have it in the left upper corner. So let's open the settings. And here we've got this option video quality, so just tap on it. In this device we've got two different options, so FHD and HD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately applied, and it means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.